gonna kill him. I can't stay now and I like that. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I can't stay now and I like that.
Give me your money, give me your money!
I don't have any money. All I have is my iPod.
Give me it.
Oh, I'm gonna get you back. I'm gonna get you back. You watch out.
He's got a gun! What the hell? You just killed those people!
Oh my gosh, when does this end? Time to get this guy back for what he did.
Nothing on TV, iPod's all tangled.
Do you mean my iPod? I've been looking for you forever.
It's been 20 minutes.
Shut up.
I think it's probably about 9 years ago.
That's what you get.
Forgot one thing.